Hi guys, and this is our new video about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to change your Instagram profile picture, so let's go to the watching if this topic is interesting for you. So let's go to our profile page. We are here, as you can see. So how to change your profile picture. We just need to pick on this edit profile button at the top of the screen and choose the change profile photo option. Of course, we have different options here. We can take a new photo, choose one from the gallery app, remove it all, or import from the Facebook. But I want to choose one from my gallery app. So let's click on this option. And I will choose another filter, because I need to go to the favorite section here, because I have saved my needful photo into this section. And yes, I really like butterflies, as you can check. So I have selected my new photo, and to save it, to set it at the profile picture, let's pick on the done option here at the top. Well done! Don't forget to confirm your actions after clicking on the same button here again, and refresh our profile page. Remember that if you will have some errors and you don't have your new picture, your newly set picture, so you need to go out from the Instagram app and activate it again. Sometimes there are some troubles with this application, so don't worry. You just need to refresh and maybe repeat the settings after selecting the same photo. So, as you can see, our profile picture is successfully changed. So guys, I hope that right now you know how to manage this photo, and from now on you can smoothly customize your account style. Don't forget about likes, and also subscribe to this channel to find out even more cool tricks about the Instagram and other applications. Bye bye!